Bone on bone. Two tiny words that make every arthritic knee flinch. But what if I told you the real reason that grind keeps getting worse isn't the stairs, your age, or even those extra holiday biscuits? It's actually a daily habit you probably think is safe. Stick with me, because once you know what it is, you can quit it today. In this video, I'll explain why your knees go bone on bone in the first place, the number one hidden habit that secretly accelerates arthritis pain, and most importantly, a 3-step fix you can start today. And then right at the end, I'll share the surprising research that proves small motion snacks can literally protect your joints from further wear and tear. You don't want to miss that. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. On this channel, we share the best tips and tricks to help people over 50 stay active, strong, and pain-free, so you can keep doing the things you love without ending up at the doctor's office. I'm Gavin Noble from Gav Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn. So for over 25 years, I've been helping people age 50 plus stay mobile, strong, and out of the surgeon's office. Every single week, I see patients who think they're doing the right thing by resting their knees, but their arthritis only gets worse. The sneaky villain isn't dramatic. It hides inside the very activity most people think is harmless. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, why it fast forwards joint damage, and how to fix it before dinner tonight. I want you to think of your knee cartilage like a sponge filled with soapy water. So when you walk, cycle, or move, the sponge squishes and releases. So it squishes and releases, soaking up nutrients, staying plump and healthy. But imagine parking a heavy frying pan on that sponge all day long. Basically, it dries out, cracks and flakes. That's exactly what happens inside your knee. When cartilage thins, the bones rub and inflammation fires up, and your pain and the nerves scream. Yes, age and injuries play their part, but the jet fuel that speeds it up is, well, it's hours of stillness. And your armchair is that frying pan. Sitting feels pretty innocent, yeah? Soft cushion, no strain. But there's a twist. When you bend your knee past about 45 degrees, your kneecap presses into its groove with up to 6 times your body weight. So sit like that for a 90-minute Netflix episode, and the cartilage actually loses oxygen and nutrients. University researchers found that 2 hours of knee bending drops oxygen inside the joint by over 40%. That means cartilage cells literally starve to death. You stand up stiff, assume you need more rest, and then sit down again. The toxic sitting loop spins on repeat. I've had patients confess to 3-hour marathons in a recliner, and it's not laziness, it's the way our chairs are designed. But once you break the cycle, you slam the brakes on, and you slam the brakes on that arthritic pain. In fact, a 2022 meta-analysis on osteoarthritis and cartilage found that people over 55 who sat more than 6 hours a day without breaks lost 25% more cartilage thickness in just 18 months, compared to those who stood up for just 2 minutes every half hour. Same weight, same medications, same arthritis grade. The only difference was how often they moved. That tells us joint snack on the motion. Here's the simple 3-step system I teach my patients. So, step 1, the micro break timer. Set a timer for 30 minutes. When it dings, stand up. Even if your knees feel creaky, that little pump of movement squeezes joint fluid in and cuts pressure by up to 60%. March into place for 45 seconds and then sit. Step number 2, chair reset. Pick a chair where your knees stay at or above 90 degrees. Use a firm cushion if needed. Make sure you can also scoot forward so your feet drop slightly and your shins act like shock absorbers. Swap that recliner at home for a dining chair a few times a week. You'll notice the difference. Step 3 is our hydration anchor. Each time you finish a glass of water, stand up to refill it. That's at least 6 to 7 built-in breaks a day. Remember, cartilage is 80% water. It needs hydration to stay cushiony. Within a week, many patients say their knees stop sounding like Velcro on the stairs. Now, I often hear, but Gavin, standing hurts too much. That's fine. Start with once every hour, not every half hour. Even that reduces strain by 20%. And use your armrests to push you up. Keep a printer or kettle in another room so you have to walk to get to it. Even pacing at the airport gate counts. Think small, frequent grazes like a cow in a field rather than one giant workout. Quick question for you. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to knee pain? Drop it in the comments below. I do read every single one and I might cover it in a future video. Plus, remember, your knees don't get better with rest, they get better with the right kind of movement. Even tiny changes today can add months, sometimes years, before surgery or injections are even considered. So, let's just get a recap here. So remember, cartilage loves it when you move. Sitting too long starves it. Toxic sitting is the #1 thing worsening your arthritis knee pain. Break the cycle with 3 simple fixes. Remember, 30-minute micro breaks, a higher, firmer chair, and that water refill rule. Do that and you'll protect your knees for years to come. If this video made you side-eye your Netflix binge, make sure to hit subscribe for our fresh arthritis tips every week. Also, please share this with a friend who lives in their armchair. Stand up, wiggle those knees, and give your cartilage a lifeline. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your knees are going to thank you for this video.